Hello everyone. Today I am going to bring a presentation on the topic electronics in robotics. Robot's origin. The word robot was coined by a CZAC novelist Carol Capek in a 1920 play titled Rosso Universal Robots RUR. Robota in CZAC defines a worker or servant. First robot in the history is said to be the soldier with automatic bellows blowing a trumpet. It was made in 1910 by Friedrich Kaufmann of Dresden, Germany and is displayed at present in the Munich Museum. Clockwork spring drives it. Motor. What is electric motor? An electric motor is an electrochemical device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electric motors are driven by a DC current. They are most commonly used in hobbyist robot applications. Type of motors. Brushed DC motors. Motor controller is used to control the motor in two directions. It is quite expensive. Pulse width modulation. Gear reducer is used to reduce the speed and increase torque. Brushless DC motors. Electronic speed control unit is used. Still, these are widely used in RC community because they offer great reliability, torque, and have other good characteristics. Third, stepper motors. Magnetic poles on stator provide current to the coils at a predefined sequence. Special stepper motor controller. Servo motors. Servo motors are integrated with control systems. They include other type of motors such as pneumatic or hydraulic as long as the feedback system is present in provide positioning. Pulse width modulation used to construct robot arms. Robotic arms. Robotics arms is a robotic manipulator usually programmable with similar features to an human arm. Servo motor is used for joint rotation. We can control arm through computer interface. Salient features of a robotic arm. First, servos, which are controlled through only one microcontroller ARM-EGA16. It is used to grab things in the hemisphere of 50 cm. It is user friendly. It can lift objects weighing 200 grams and above. To keep the arm of robotic arm gripper simple and implementing the gripping mechanism without gears with one servo motor. What are sensors? A device that detects a physical property and responds to it is called sensor. Light sensor, sound sensor, contact sensor, pressure sensor, temperature sensor, proximity sensor, range sensor. These are some types of sensor. What is a light sensor? A light sensor is used to detect light and create a voltage difference. What is sound sensor? It detects sound and return voltage proportional to sound level. Temperature sensors. Generally used temperature sensor are LM34, LM35T, TMP35, TMP36 and TMP37. Pressure sensors. Pressure sensors measure pressure. Contact sensors require physical contact to function. Type of proximity sensors. IR transceivers, ultrasonic sensor, photoresistor. Range sensor types. Ultrasonic range sensor, IR range sensor, lasers range sensor, encoders, stereo camera. Desirable feature of sensors. Accuracy, precision, operating range, speed of response, calibration, reliability, ease of operation and cost. What is the role played by a sensor in robotics? To maintain stability and orientation, report position and speed, interaction with surroundings, distinction of objects, to mimic sensory abilities of human. Applications. Generic IR systems, remote control, touchless object sensing. How are IR emitters and detectors used in robots? Line following robots, obstacle detection, motion detection, color detection. What is voltage regulator? A device a device designed to automatically maintain constant voltage level is called voltage regulator. Type of voltage regulators. Electronic voltage regulators, electrochemical regulator, coil rotation AC voltage regulator, active regulator, linear switching and SCR. Electronic. A simple voltage can be made from a resistor in series with diodes. Coil rotation AC. Basic principle design. What is line regulators? These regulators comprise of devices that operate in their linear region. Switching regulators. They rapidly switches a series device on and off. What is the function of voltage regulators? Passive voltage regulators, AC voltage, active voltage regulators, AC voltage stabilization, DC voltage stabilization, coil rotation, AC voltage regulators. What are H bridges? A circuit for driving DC motor is called H bridge. The great reliability of a H bridge circuit is that the motor can be driven forward or backward at any speed. Thank you.